Have you ever wondered what it takes to not only start but run and grow a successful sportswear fashion brand? How do they come out time and time again with successful launches, and how you can learn from them as well? We'll be taking a deep dive into Buffbunny. We'll be looking at their strategies. We'll be looking at around 10 key tips that make them extremely successful.
I think the overarching vision and mission that I have in life is just to help women with whatever they need, giving them all the tools they need for success, whether that's providing y'all with the cutest gym fits, or that is providing you guys with workout programs, challenges, how to track your food, how to track your progress. And for me, that is my passion.
Number 1, Buffbunny was started in 2016 by Heidi Somers, who at the time had grown quite a significant following, sharing her fitness journey, sharing her struggles, sharing her day-to-day life on social media through YouTube vlogs. This is the first thing that I see as part of Buffbunny's success. What she believed was the missing component of activewear in the time, which was fun, high quality, inclusive clothing that could represent her brand and her ethos. Number 2 is that Buffbunny always takes a customer-centric focus on their design and their product development process by sampling and prototyping and doing model fittings on models with a wide range of body types to ensure that their designs are not only flattering for a small subset of body types, but also can work on the larger extremes, whether it's on the very skinny body types or on the larger plus size body types. Number 3, like any modern e-commerce apparel company, they have a heavy emphasis on effective e-commerce and marketing strategies because of the content that they include, the subject lines, how they catch your attention. The emails are done in a way not only to present you with an opportunity to buy, but a way to be part of the brand as well. And this also helps to increase the likelihood that a customer will convert and a customer will feel as if they are part of a loyal community that they want to be a part of time and time again. Number 4 is that they have a wide product range and they focus on quality and key USPs or unique selling points in their product range. So if you look at Buffbunny, you go on their website, there's pretty much something for everyone. Within this product range, it's not all quantity. There's also a heavy emphasis on quality of craftsmanship, quality of actual fitting and sizing. Number 5 is that both Heidi and Buffbunny have and will always have an emphasis on ethical and sustainable practices in how they design. There is no perfection when it comes to ethical and sustainable practices, but Buffbunny has always had a highlight and a specific attention to how to create a brand that is not only great quality, a good value for money, extremely community focused, but also is not a detriment to the environment. Number 6 is that they have an extremely innovative and responsive product development process. Buffbunny is very well known for launching frequently, almost every 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the season. They come up with a variety of highly tailored, extremely well put together collections. Some of their very well-known collections are the most recent Dream House collection, which is sort of a Barbie inspired collection. They did a great job. Number 7 is that Buffbunny has always had extremely strong community engagement, and they're very, very primed towards their influencer marketing. They do this first and foremost because of Heidi's personal background as a prime influencer in the space, and she does this to be attentive to the needs of her consumer base, to again break down the borders, to break down the barriers between corporation and customer. Number 8 is the founder Heidi Somers' own and personal ability to overcome the struggles and the challenges of starting any business. And luckily, this is where a company like Fittdesign comes in. We can help you with your entire product design, development, and production process from A to Z. We offer a full turnkey solution specifically for activewear, fashion brands, sportswear brands, and streetwear brands. www.fittdesign.com, and we can definitely see where we can move you. So just like you, Heidi was able to overcome the initial struggles and the initial challenges and the knowledge gaps that were necessary to overcome in order to start a brand. She started in her living room. She started in her home with as few resources as she had available to her. She was able to create something from nothing and to scale into the multi-million-dollar brand that we know and love today. Last but not least is that Heidi is a multifaceted leader, and she is a variable in the business that allows others to do what they need to do. She empowers her team. She also has a multifaceted approach as a leader. Well guys, that is it. That is a wrap on this episode. This has been the Buffbunny episode in our extremely famous series on how you and what you as a sportswear entrepreneur can learn from different brands from across the world that have achieved monumental success. Guys, let me know what brand you want to see me cover in future episodes of what you can learn from brands XYZ. And as always, until next time, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Fittdesign TV.